up, guys? It is your boy Mike back at it again with a fresh new video. Now you're probably wondering, why is he uploading this now? This shoe released literally a month ago. I mean, I recorded it in late March and then I was supposed to upload it then, but I got too lazy at editing and waited all the way to May. So yeah, it'd be like that sometimes. But anyways, let's get right into it. So I've been waiting for years and centuries, and now, well, okay, it's not that long, but I've been waiting for like a full year for these shoes to come out. And they brought out two, the 3.0s and the 5.0s. Now your boy is the king of free run reviews because I mean, look at the last video, it was a banger. Except for the fact that I did record it after my wisdom teeth removal. I need to be the first to make this video. Even if I'm not the first, at least I try. And right off the yeah, that was kind of rough, but yeah, I guess it shows you the dedication. Now the price points for these babies is $100 US, which is actually relatively cheap. That's basically kind of like the average price. So that's pretty good. Now compared to the previous model of the free runs, these are completely different. They totally redesigned everything. There's some little aspects that have some similarities, but they kind of put in a lot more detail. Like right there, you see engineered for natural range of motion. You can see the 6mm on the side, Nike logo, all that stuff. And the upper, of course, is a little bit different with more of a stretch mesh and kind of like a minimalistic style when it comes to the laces, because there's not really that much going on right there, which I kind of find nice because sometimes people don't like the way laces look. Sometimes they tuck them in, so I feel like it kind of makes a shoe stand out a little bit more. Around the sock line, there's a lot of padding around the area, and there's also a little bit on the back of the shoe. There's kind of like this fluorescent orange color. I mean, it's not going to be fluorescent and orange in every shoe, but like in this case with this shoe, it's kind of made up of this stretchy material, which is really nice. I don't know, I just kind of like the feel of it. I do have to say that the insoles for this shoe is a little bit unique because these are the SF editions, like the San Francisco editions, I think. It's a limited thing, so it won't look like this inside. It'll just say Nike free. And the bottom of the shoe is really unique. They kind of went with this kind of wavy shape. They just keep advancing every year. I give them respect points for that. And of course, since these are free runs, we have to do the curve ball test. I honestly don't know what to call this, but when you kind of curve the shoe a little bit, there's a lot of flexibility in the shoe, from what you can see. And boom, you saw that? You saw the athleticism? We don't get on desks. We jump on them in this channel. Okay, with my thoughts of the shoes, I think they're actually pretty nice. I like the way they feel. They're very comfortable. That being said, I would give them a 4 out of 5 on the comfort scale. Not everyone likes that barefoot feel. You're just gonna have to try it out. It's really not that much different from the old free runs, just a little bit comfier. With breathability, I give it a 5 out of 5 because it is mainly made of a mesh material, and there's a lot of holes and everything. More holes equal more air, and then more air equals more breathability. With durability, they feel pretty sturdy. It feels like the shoe is gonna last a long time, and at the same time, Nike has said themselves that these are built to last for a long time as compared to the last models, and the last models, they actually are still usable, and I still use them till this day. So, oh, and I almost forgot, these do run true to size, so get the size that you usually get and you should be fine. And for lightness, I give it a 5 out of 5. It's a pretty light shoe for what it is, and that's pretty important for all you runners out there. And lastly, we might slip at the standard drip index. Give it a 4 out of 5. It's pretty nice. It's good looking, futuristic, but not to the point that you would wear it casually. Alright, but that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. And comment down below for any feedback or any questions. As always, until next time, guys, peace.